Good morning, friends. All of us are aware that every country has external intelligence agencies. Like we have MI6 of UK, Mossad of Israel, RAW of our own country India, ISI of Pakistan, and CIA of USA. Today, I will use the word CIA for describing the human personality. That's why the title of my today's video is CIA of Personality. All of us know that there are three basic ingredients of human personality, which is communication skill, initiative, and attitude. I will like you to see my video till end. You will find a lot of value in it. If you see my video and enjoy it, I will request you to press the like button and share your comments with me. I will also request you to subscribe to my channel. Friends, communication is as old as human civilization. The word communication has been derived from the word communis, which means common. In earlier times, the human beings, they stayed in communes and they shared all their possessions, responsibilities, joy and happiness and hardship together. That's how the importance of communication came into being. In short, communication is for the sharing of information and also to convey our ideas and knowledge. Other functions of communication are the regulation and the control, sharing of information, the social interaction, the motivation, and communication is also used for emotional expression. In today's world, the communication skill is very important. All the organizations, they insist on communication skill being there in any person whom they want to hire. But the $1 million question is how to improve your communication skill. First and foremost point is to have faith in yourself and a firm resolve to learn and improve. Communication is an art which can be learned with hard work and practice. Language is just a medium. To learn your skill, you have to come out from your comfort zone and should be ready to face the hurdles and the minor irritants on the way. You become passionate about your aim and work hard towards attaining that skill. You can learn by practice. The practical efforts are required. Without any effort, you cannot learn any skill. For example, those who know swimming, they know how they learned swimming. They did not learn it just by standing on the banks of river and seeing others swim. They themselves jumped into the water, gulped lot of water, stomach full of it, and then they learned how to kick and how to make strokes. And gradually they learned swimming without any stress. And now they have started enjoying it. Similarly, you learn riding the bicycle with your own efforts and determination. You also learn driving, bodybuilding, or for that matter, any other skill with sustained and painstaking efforts. To learn communication skill, you should first of all learn your mother language well and learn all those aspects like delivery, tonality, eye contact, body language, and richness of content. After having learned these aspects, you can use them to speak in any other language. Now, I will give you some do's and don'ts for communication skill. First, some do's. Always think ahead about what you are going to say. Use simple words and phrases that are understood by everybody. Speak clearly and audibly. Keep checking with listener whether you have been understood accurately or not. Always pay undivided attention to the speaker while listening. While listening, always make notes of important points. Clarify all your doubts. Now I will show you some don'ts. Do not instantly react or mutter something in hurry. Do not use technical terms and terminology not understood by majority of people. Do not speak too fast or too slow. Do not assume that everybody understands you. Do not interrupt the speaker. Do not jump to the conclusion that you have understood everything. After having learned all this, now I will come to the aspect of listening in improving your communication skill. The center point of communication is listening. If you take a word, listen, you can shuffle it, which will mean silence. If your aim is to learn, then listening will happen. But if you want to listen just for deriving any benefits, material benefits from it, and your motive is earning, then listening will not happen. When interest is created, listening happens. There are some postulates for listening. I will tell them point-wise. Friends, remember, we are the master of unspoken words and slaves of the spoken words. So we must think before we speak. People do not listen to understand, they just listen to speak or reply back. The good listeners are as rare as white crows. This famous quote was said by Helen Keller. Active listening means listening completely. It needs a kind of commitment. Listening has to be given its priority. It is said that we should be quick of our eye and slow of our tongues. Friends, in the end, I would like to say that communication works for those who work at it. Communication skill is key to the personal and career success. Art of communication is the language of leadership. We have a very live example of this in our current Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. Communication is the foundation of personal development. Your speech reflects your part of thought. Where we communicate with others or even with our own selves determines the quality of our lives. We all should get rid of our hesitation to speak in English. We should form a group of our friends who are also keen to learn the English language and improve their communication skill, and then we can keep on practicing amongst ourselves. You will find that your communication will improve by leaps and bounds. Must enrich your vocabulary. The idioms and phrases which I have given you in my earlier videos was to impress upon this point that once your interest is generated, then there is no going back on your path to success. If you have enjoyed my video, then please do not forget to press the like button. Please share your comments with me and also subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.